Bathroom cleaning procedures by comfy maids. Remove all items from the vanity unit, shower, or from the floor and surrounding area. Use a duster from top to bottom. Clean corners of ceilings and baseboards, removing dust or cobwebs from blinds, cornices, ceiling fans, lights and vents. Remove carpets from bathrooms. Empty the waste bins. Clean outside of bin. Replace bag. Dust entire surface to remove hair or debris. Spray glass cleaner on mirror and wipe with appropriate cloth. Spray shower and tub with bathroom cleaner. Leave to soak while continuing to clean toilet. The toilet. Clean toilet, always wear gloves. Put the toilet cleaner in the bowl, making sure it is below the rim. Scrub the entire inside of the toilet. Flush the toilet when finished, do not leave cleaner in the toilet. Spray the outside of the toilet with an all-purpose cleaner or disinfectant. Start at the top of the tank. Start cleaning the outside of the toilet downwards, making sure to reach the hinges, toilet lid, seat, and bolts at the bottom. If necessary, use a toothbrush for those hard-to-reach places. Make sure all stains are removed. If necessary, repeat. Make sure to clean the floors around and behind the toilet, as a lot of hair and dust is stored there. The finished toilet should look like this. The bathtub. Use the sponge and/or brush to thoroughly scrub the walls, grooves, corners, handles, faucets, grout, door slides, floors and shower. Be sure to clean the seal under the glass door to remove any mildew buildup. Thoroughly rinse the shower. If soap residue/hard water buildup does not come out, use a more aggressive product such as the Works Tub and Tile or Candé and repeat and rinse. Completely dry the shower or bathtub. If glass is present, make sure it is streak-free by using your polishing cloth perfectly. If necessary, use glass cleaner on the inside and outside of the glass. Remove hair from the drain. The finished bathtub should look like this. The vanity unit. If there are white light bulbs, they should be dusted. Be sure to turn off the lights and let them cool before cleaning, they could blow out. Clean the mirror. Wipe with a microfiber cloth to remove traces of glass cleaner. Use your polishing pan for clean glass. You can use an all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber on the countertop. Be sure to also wipe down any decorations and fixtures. Make sure all sinks, countertops, fixtures and faucets are dry. Use a pan to polish or remove water spots. Hang towels and straighten towels on the rack. Clean light switch plates. Mop floors using all-purpose cleaner or whatever product the client prefers. It is easier to hand wash floors that are not too large. Double check after mopping to make sure there is no hair, dust, or debris left. Shake rugs out of the master bedroom if it is carpeted. You may still need to vacuum the rugs to remove any hair or debris that did not come off. Put them back in the same place they were removed from. The finished vanity unit should look like this. Double check that everything is okay. Turn off the lights.